Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinitycad. In this video, we will design this model in Solidworks. So let's see how we can design this. To design this model, we will follow this reference drawing. In this drawing, you can see we have given two circles of 30 diameter, 50 diameter, and one another circle of diameter 60 mm, which will be in the middle of this. And this distance we have given 7 to 2 mm. So first of all, I will start with the front plane sketch, and here I will draw two circles. Then smart dimension, this one will be 50 diameter and this circle diameter will be 30 mm. Okay, right click and then select. Let me exit this sketch, and now from the reference we have to select here plane. First reference will be the front plane, and here we have to give a distance of 72 mm, but you can see it's in this direction, but we want in the backside direction. For that, we will select here flip offset, and you can see the plane is in the backward direction. Now just select OK here. Okay, now we'll select this plane and then sketch. On this we'll draw the same sketch. For that we'll just select here convert entities, select this cell and select this circle. We selected these both circles, then select OK. Now let's exit this sketch. Okay, just select this plane, hide it. Now we have to create another plane in the middle of these planes. So for that, create plane. First reference here will be the front plane, and the second reference will be this plane. And you can see the plane between these two planes will be created. Okay. Now just select this plane, sketch. On this plane, we will draw one circle, smart dimension, and assign this circle diameter 60 mm. Okay. Right click, select. Now exit the sketch. Now just select this plane and make it hide. Okay. So we have three different sketches on the three planes. Now we will select boundary boss. Here, first I'll select this circle. Okay. Then this middle circle. And last, this circle. Okay, this. Okay, and you can see. Okay. Now we just have to create one circle and extrude cut this. For that, we'll select just this sketch and extruded cut. From the selected contours, clear this selection and select the circle. From here, reverse its direction and make it through all. Okay. So you can see it is cut. Now just select right plane, sketch. Now here we will select one center line, draw one horizontal line from the center to this center point. Select another center line and from this end point to here. Now we will select convert entities, and here we have to select this silhouette edge, this edge like this, and OK. Now select another line from here to this edge. Okay, smart dimension and give angle between these two lines 14 degree. Okay, now from this end point to this center point, this distance is given to us 67.25 mm. Okay, now select another line and join this point to this line like this. Okay, now select the center line and uncheck it for the construction geometry. Trim entities and with power trim this part and this part. Okay, now just select this endpoint and move it somehow here like this. Okay, join it with a line from this point to here. Select trim entities, trim this line and this line. Okay, now select here fully defined sketch, all entities in sketch, calculate. Okay, so our sketch is now fully defined. Now we'll go to features and from here select Revolved Boss face. The line is selected, this line, but we don't want to revolve like this, so that clear this selection and select this line. Okay, and here we have to select merge results. Okay, now we'll select this face, sketch, and on this face we will draw one rectangle. So from here select center rectangle, select the center point of the circle, and from this center point draw one rectangle like this. Smart dimension and give this distance 70 mm and horizontally it will be 140 mm. Okay, now features extruded boss and extrude this 15 mm. Okay, okay. So now you can see we have to cut this part. Its radius is given 10 mm. Okay, so I will select this face, sketch. On this, let's draw one horizontal center line from this center point to this center point. Here, let's draw one circle on this center line like this. Smart dimension 20 mm diameter. Okay, now let's draw one line from this point horizontally like this and join to this point. Okay, now select trim entities and trim this. Okay, select smart dimension, give this distance. Let me give it 30 mm and from this point to this center point 22 mm. Okay, now we'll go to features. We'll select extruded cut. Make this end condition through all both sides. Nothing we have to change here. Okay. Then we have to cut extrude on this side also. For that we will select mirror. Our mirror face will be the right plane and the feature will be the cut extrude. Okay, so now our part is ready. Just we have to give some fillets to this. So fillet, select this edge and give here 5 mm. Okay, same as it is, select fillet, and this time we will select this edge. Give here 2 mm. Okay, so now our part is ready. Let's give it some color. For that I'll select edit appearance and select here green color. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like it. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.